Hello everyone. Me and our furry STEM partner are back for a very special stay-at-home quarantine, aka the Rona special STEM. All right, so what we are going to do is make our own disinfectant wipes because of course we know during this time it is ever so important for us to stay at home so we can flatten the curve, for us to practice social distancing, one thing that of course Miss May has not learned, as well as making sure that we are washing our hands and just being overall clean and sanitary. So one of the things that we are going to do today, I'm going to show you two different ways that you can make your own disinfectant wipes, because I know these things right here are hard to find in the stores. And as you can tell, Miss May has used all of hers. So for every level, we get our own disinfectant spray as well as wipes, but Miss May has used all of hers. All right, so for this first method, all you need is an empty container, paper towels, Dawn dish detergent, and I personally like this one because it is already antibacterial. So, you know, what I can do to add extra protection for my little baby, I surely will. And then you need alcohol. So I have here 91% alcohol. It is not absolutely required for you to go as high as I did. I believe long as you have over 70%, you're good. But once again, we all about killing all the germs, okay? And then the last ingredient that you will need, the last two ingredients you'll need is the distilled water as well as some essential oil to add a smell to it. So you need 2 cups of distilled water. I went ahead, let me move some things out the way. We went ahead and we started the process already. So we have 2 cups of distilled water that I am going to place in the container. All right. And then you need 1 cup of your alcohol. Now, in addition to that, go ahead and grab your measuring cups. You're going to need 1 tablespoon of your Dawn dish soap. So we got, and we got some pretty bubbles that came out. You want to see it go in, May? Uh-oh, you guys can't see it because we got the paper towel in the way. Let's move these down. You watching all of it? So just so I can make sure that I'm getting absolutely everything, I'm going to go ahead and, you know, dip it in there. All right, now, some people like to put the paper towels in first. I like to put it in second so I can just kind of watch as I am creating the submersion. So I like know for real that it's all in there. Now, if you are using a container this size, you'll notice that you'll need to cut a little bit. I am not going to cut just yet because I want to show you the second option that you can do to make your very own disinfectant wipes. So this route you go if you do not already have cleaning products that are antibacterial at home. All right. Now, because Remy Mae is who she is, I already had cleaning products downstairs. So this particular tangerine and mango essence, Miss May, look, you can tell she like, that's my stuff. She loves the scent of this. This is what I disinfect her basement with, her palace with, every single day. So of course I have some of this, but I also have this. The cool thing about this smaller one, which is sparkling lemon and sunflower essence, you literally, if you're not trying to spend almost $3 on this big kahuna here, you can find this at the Dollar Tree, and it literally makes 5 gallons. May is not as big of a fan. As you guys see, she's not that big. She's just like her mama. We do not care for lemons nor the lemon smell. She don't care for it so much. She's off camera sneezing right now. Like, my baby don't do lemon. All right, so if you do have cleansers such as this, all you need to do is get out your measuring cup and put in 2 cups of this. and put that in your bottle and nothing else, okay? We had to put water and tea tree, or you don't have to use tea tree, but we're going to use tea tree, essential oil, all of that for scent. You don't need that if you have this already. So if you already have you a good Lysol cleaner that is antibacterial, because this is slightly concentrated, so you'll see on the bottle here it says that this small little container makes 5 gallons. All you need to do is go ahead and put in 2 cups, and then if you want to maybe put in a half a cup of water, you can, but it's all about just making sure that your paper towels get soaked. Now, another concern that some may have is about the roll here. When I tell y'all she don't like lemon, with this roll here, if you sit the paper towels in overnight, it'll be easy to pick out, or of course you can just make a cut and just allow that roll to stay there until it eventually is going to dissolve and it's going to be a hot mess. Or you can do like I'm going to choose to do and wait until your paper towels are almost on end anyway, and then just go ahead and cut it and then pull them off. Another option can be you can cut them and make them into smaller sizes. So here it is here. What I'm going to do is make small pocket size disinfectant wipes, so then that way they're more accessible for Miss May. So I hope you guys are staying safe. As you can see, because Remy smelled lemon, she is not here for the rest of this video, but once again, I hope you all are staying safe. I hope that everyone stays well and healthy, and we'll catch you next time on The STEM Moment with Remy Mae, who's now absent. Catch you later.